Hello guys, I am Dipanshu. Today in this video, ma'am will teach you some basic commands used in Kali Linux. So let's begin.
You can see here this is the interface of the terminal. So for example, if you want to create a directory, so in Kali Linux directory is nothing but it's similar to a folder in Windows. For example, if you want to create a directory as such, then the command you need to type is mkdir. It stands for make directory. Let me give some name as trends. So the name of the directory is trends and we are saying the compiler to create a directory, to make a directory. So after entering this command, just click on enter. So now to see whether your directory has created or not, just click on ls. Just enter the command ls and just click on enter. So as you can see here, trends. So the directory has created. Now you want to change to the directory. You want to change the directory. So generally whenever you open a terminal, you will be in the home directory. So now if you want to change your directory to the any other directory, the command we need to use is cd. cd stands for change directory. So change directory, now we want to change the directory to trends. So enter the command trends. Now the directory has changed. As you can see here, directory has changed to trends. Now if you want to see what are the different files present in the trends directory, the command used is ls and just click on enter. So as you can see here, the trends directory is empty. So you ch touch and then file name. Let me give the file name as file and extension as txt. So you can create any file of your wish. Either it might be txt file, png file, jpeg or zip file sometimes. So it's up to you. For now I am creating txt file and just click on enter. Now list it out. Enter the command ls and just click on enter. So as you can see here, in trends directory, file.txt file is present. So this is how to create a file in any particular directory. For example, if you want to write something into the file, now file.txt is empty. We just created it and we just left it as it is. Now if you want to write some data into this file.txt, then the command used is echo, 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 and we need to type the data. Let me type hello welcome and next greater than symbol, and you need to give the file name here. File name is file.txt and just click on enter. So now in the file.txt file, the data is present. The data is hello welcome. Now if you want to read some file, you want to read some content present in the file, then the command used is cat file name. File name is file.txt and just click on enter. So as you can see here, hello welcome is the data present in this file.txt. So this is how to create a file and to write some data into the file and to read some data out of the file. So for guys, there is even one more method to write some content into the file. The method or the keyword used is nano. Let me explain you. So nano, and beside nano you have to just give the file name. File.txt is the name. So just click on enter. So as you can see here, file.txt file has opened now for you. So you can enter any data of your wish into this. For example, this is my course. So I enter the data. So after entering the data, just press Ctrl S so that the file will be saved, and just press Ctrl X so that the file will be exited. Now in the file.txt you have some additional data along with hello welcome. This is my course, hello welcome. So now if you want to read the file, same command, cat file.txt. So as you can see here, this is my course, hello welcome. So you might get doubt that what is the difference between echo keyword and nano keyword. Yeah, there is difference guys, there is difference. So let me explain you the difference. So now what is the content present in the file.txt? This is my course, hello welcome. For example, if you write some other data using echo some just hello, echo hello and file.txt, same syntax. So now let us see what happens. Just click on enter. Now let us read the content from the file and see what happens. So yeah, as you can see here in file.txt only hello is present. Actually there is already some content. This is my course, hello welcome. But what happened when we used echo keyword? The old content has completely erased and the new content has gone into the file. So this is the difference between echo and nano. If you use echo, the previous content will be completely erased and the new content will be added to the file. But if you use nano, the previous content will be as such, and you can add to the content present. You can append to the content present using nano, but it's not possible using echo. So this is the difference between nano and echo. So these are the some basic commands: how to create a directory, how to change the directory, how to create a file, how to read data into the file. So these are the some basic commands you need to have idea about. For example, if you want to go to the previous directory, so this directory is trends. Now we are in trends directory. Now if we want to go back to the home directory, then the command used is cd space dot dot, and just click on it. So as you can see here, now we are in the home directory. This is the way to go back to the original directory. I mean to go one step back to the directory, cd space dot dot. So I think you all have got a basic idea of these commands.